Hi, my name is Steve Hulfish and welcome to FCP to Media Composer 5 training. I've been editing on Avid since 1992 and editing on FCP since 2001. I was named to Avid's first ever class of master editors, and I've been an instructor at master editor workshops, editor retreats, and NAB Postworld. I've written 2 Avid editing books and 2 color correction books, and my experience includes editing the Oprah Winfrey Show for about 10 years. Now I have my own production company and I use both Avid and FCP. As for the training you're about to receive, I respect your experience with FCP and I understand what you love about Final Cut. Both systems are certainly capable of professional work. Final Cut Pro is finding increased use in indie films, reality TV, and documentaries, but Avid is still used for most primetime dramas and comedies and for nearly all big-budget studio feature films. Our goal is to show you how to leverage your Final Cut Pro skills to get a quick grasp on using Avid. To do that, we'll show you what works the same and what works differently. We'll also show you how to take advantage of the special Avid features that are only available on Avid. One of the best pieces of advice that I ever got from an FCP editor when I was starting to work on FCP was to edit FCP like FCP, not to try to force it to work like Avid. The same advice holds here too. Some things will be exactly the same and some things you'll need to adapt. So we've got a ton of stuff to cover. I can teach the basics of Avid or FCP in just a few short hours, but to really master it will take much more reading, training, and most of all, hands-on experience. Finally, as far as approach and training are concerned, to keep things simple, I'm going to assume that you're coming from FCP and you're probably going to want to stay on the Mac. So this training will only reference the way Avid works on a Mac. If you find yourself on a PC Avid, then just remember that Command or Apple key on a Mac is the same as the Control key on a PC. The Option key on a Mac is the same as the Alt key on a PC. So let's get started.